Semi-final. Up next, we have a startup on a mission to help people manage home and life tasks and lighten the mental health load. Please give a warm welcome to eeva.
All right, so you're going to hear a lot of really cool ideas today on the stage, and there's a whole bunch more out on the floor. Innovation is alive and well. But let's get real for a second. How much of this helps you personally right now? We all want to change the world, but do you even know what's for dinner? And did you remember to book the babysitter tomorrow for date night? Being an adult comes with a nonstop flow of information and a ton of responsibilities. It's a lot of planning, coordinating, delegating, even just remembering. Things like grocery lists, doctor appointments, grandma's birthday. And what's funny is we would never be expected to handle this much stuff at work. We have really powerful tools to help with all of that. While at home, most of us are stuck with Post-it notes, that whiteboard we all have in the kitchen, or group chats with your spouse. That's where eeva comes in. eeva is an intuitive and smart platform that pulls everything in your life together, no matter your lifestyle. We use automations and integrations to help you manage your home, organize your life, and collaborate with all of the people that make your world go round. It becomes an ecosystem, your ecosystem, interconnected and organized to fit your life. And yeah, we do use AI, not because it's the cool thing to do, but because there are real synergies between what AI does well and the problem that we're solving. We use generative AI to automate and optimize your routines, and machine learning to anticipate and predict your needs. And boy, have we hit a nerve. We launched officially at CES in January, where we were named the top Canadian startup at the event. That MVP got thousands of users within days, and we hit it big. They're coming back on average 4 times a day for up to 2 minutes a session. And since then, we've been named one of North America's most innovative startups of the year and the one to watch. So yeah, I hate to break it to everybody, but we are a B2C company at our core. But our strategy revolves heavily around the B2B2C space. It doesn't take much imagination to see the synergies that are possible. We got here by raising $2.8 million so far, 2.5 of which was before we had any revenue. We're still looking for partners and investors and plan to open our seed round at the end of this year. My name is Adrienne, and together with my co-founder, Jared, we built a company and a product that is built to scale. If this mission speaks to you, come find us, because together we want to use technology to improve the lives of millions of people. And so all of a sudden, changing the world, that becomes possible. Thank you.